Hi Cancer! Hope everything is well with you. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. And for those who are new to this channel, maraming salamat for visiting this channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, not all of you can resonate. Pwede nyo pong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan, mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong Sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Cancer. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you for this week of July. Okay. Messages and energies for Cancer, please. Okay. Merong target, a goal-oriented person. Okay, you are a goal-oriented person. Hindi ka titikil hanggat hindi mo ma-achieve ang inyong goal, ang inyong target. Okay, ang inyong dreams or pangarap. You are not wasting time, Cancer. Haystack, karma. You will reap what you have sown. Okay. Both money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. For some of you, you will be receiving, okay, a big money, maybe from an inheritance, okay, winning. Maybe this is a good time for you para magtaya sa loto, okay. Meron kang marireceive na money, maswerte ka ngayon, Cancer. Hamak, taking a vacation physically or mentally. For some of you, kailangan mo ng bakasyon or kailangan mo rin ipagpahinga ang inyong isip. Madami kayong iniisip, mga difficulties, mga problema, okay? You need to take a rest. Restore mo yung energy mo. Cancer. Vine. Seek out information that will help you. Crib. Birth or conception of a child or enterprise. Okay. For some of you, you are expecting nagdadalang tao. You are pregnant. Yung iba, you will be launching a business, okay? If you are an entrepreneur, merong negosyo, okay? You are self-employed. It's time for you na para i-launch or ilabas ang inyong business, okay? I-introduce. Seek out information that will help you. Seek out mentors, okay, na pwedeng tumulong sa inyo, makapagbigay ng advice or wisdom sa inyong mga problema, okay, sa inyong mga challenges para makamove forward kayo, okay. Yeah. Connect with mentors na makakatulong sa inyo, okay. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga messages from the tarot. For Cancer, please. Energies and messages. Ano yung mga paparating for Cancer? Messages and energies for Cancer, please. Cancer. Okay. For some of you, merong mga pagbabago kayong hinaharap, may mga challenges, may mga kompetisyon sa trabaho, merong mga pinag-uusapan, merong meetings na mangyayari. Okay. Yung iba, napapansin ang inyong hard work, quality work, napapansin ng higher ups, merong discussion or meeting about that. Mas angat ka sa kompetisyon, okay? Kung merong competition na nangyayari, mas nangingibabaw ang inyong galing, napapansin yan ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo, ng mga katrabaho ninyo, okay? Napapansin ang inyong galing. Merong mga balita na paparating sa inyo. Kung meron mang mga delays are over, okay? May mga information kayong matatanggap. Good news. Ito ay hindi pa nare-reveal. Sekreto, okay? Yung iba sa inyo will be seeking help or getting information from someone na may psychic ability or spiritually gifted or a tarot reader. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo will be seeking help, okay, advice from someone, a mature person, okay, maybe a mother, a female boss. You will be getting information from that person. It will make you feel good, okay? Magbibigay sa inyo ng emotional stability. Okay. You will have the chance to improve yourself or i-develop pa yung sarili ninyo. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, this is good news from the higher ups or from the management. Hindi pa nare-reveal, matatanggap nyo pa lang. It's going to be about you. Para sa ikakabuti mo, Cancer. Yes, you will be successful. Okay. You will be victorious sa inyong ginagawa. Merong travel. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mo ipagpahinga ang inyong isip, okay? You have to get out yourself from a toxic situation, okay? Kailangan mo ng bakasyon. Yeah. You will be abundant, you will prosper sa inyong ginagawa, Cancer, okay? Meron kang kakayahan to provide for other people, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga bagong negosyo or meron kayong sisimulan na negosyo, okay? Meron kayong ilo-launch. May mga creative projects kayo na nasa isip. You are full of ideas and creativity. Okay? Nakikita ang inyong galing. Yeah. There is someone younger than you that will be cooperating with you, okay? Gustong makipag-collab. Yeah. Be aware of conflicts, okay? Sa mga deception or dishonesty. Tingnan mo ng mabuti ang mga intensyon, yung integrity ng mga tao na nakapaligid sa inyo, Cancer. May mga taong hindi rin nakikipag-cooperate sa inyo. Focus, have that vision, Cancer, to move forward. Okay, be a leader. Continue ka lang sa mga creative ideas ninyo, sa mga plans. Okay. You are very driven, goal-oriented ka. Gusto mo magtagumpay sa inyong ginagawa. You are ambitious, okay? Yeah. Keep moving forward. Ma-overcome mo yung mga challenges na parating sa inyo. Okay? If you are in a situation na madaming distraction, maraming panggugulo, nakaka-stress na, ma-overcome mo yun, Cancer. Just keep moving forward. Believe in yourself. Okay, laban lang. Kailangan ng mahabang pasensya. Okay, be patient. You are guided. Okay, spiritually. May nagpoprotekta sa inyo. May angel na gumagabay sa inyo. Be patient. Okay. I-control mo ang inyong emosyon. Okay. Wait for the perfect timing. Okay. Makakamit mo din ang inyong nais. Big money. Okay. New contract. New job. Yes. Okay. Balance and moderation is needed in all your ways. Be patient. Okay. Just keep moving forward. Huwag ma-derail. Focus on your goal. Okay. Success. Okay. May kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan. Okay. May gagawin kayong desisyon. For now, parang hindi mo pa nabibigyan ng pansin, but deep in your heart, deep inside, you know na meron kayong kailangan pagdesisyonan, merong choice, okay, or option kayong dapat piliin or gawin. Cancer. Yeah. For some of you, kailangan yung pagdesisyonan itong bagong opportunity na para sa inyo. The right time has come for you to decide, okay? This opportunity will give you the chance na ma-improve ang inyong sitwasyon. Yeah. Good money, abundance, okay? You will be successful, be patient. Balance your emotion, okay? Merong taong gustong makipag-collab sa inyo. Gustong makipag-cooperate. Okay? Pero pinag-iisipan mo pa. If you're going to accept it or not. That is for some of you, Cancer. Focus on your goal. Be patient. Keep moving forward. Kahit nahihirapan na kayo, malalampasan nyo rin ito. Yung iba sa inyo ay stress na. Pero merong guardian angel, merong angel na nag-guide sa inyo, pinoprotektahan ka. para maitawid mo ang kailangan mong itawid. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo hindi pa sure sa opportunity na to, and you need to decide. You need to make up your mind, Cancer. Okay. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, sa inyong pagpapahinga in your rest day or rest moment, makakagain ka ng clarity on what to do. Okay, lalabas ang inyong creativity, makapag-isip ka ng paraan. Okay. You are driven to success. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. May mga events na kailangan ng inyong desisyon. Do not rush. Pagplanuhan ng mabuti bago ka mag-decide or umaksyon, Cancer. You will be known. Kung meron kang passion project na gagawin, okay, maybe online, you will be publicly known, okay, makikilala ang inyong galing, you will be successful. This will give you independence, okay, and confidence sa sarili ninyo. Meron kayong mga pag-iisipan, clarification or enlightenment. You need wisdom. Okay. You need to step back para makapag-isip kayo ng maayos. Kung naghahanap kayo ng solusyon sa inyong problema, okay? Nag-i-introspect. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, nagne-negative thinking, okay? Negative thoughts, you feel na hindi nyo kaya, okay? Believe in yourself. Trust your intuition, Cancer. Yung iba sa inyo nagwo-worry, may mga iniisip, okay, nawawalan ng you think na parang hindi nyo kaya yung gagawin ninyo, okay? Believe in yourself, Cancer, okay? Merong opportunity para sa inyo. Be patient. Tingnan natin ano yung message sa inyo from the angels, Oracle. Message for Cancer, please. Cancer. Cancer. For Cancer. Cancer. Okay. Obstacles and blocks are lifted. All your good personal work and your positive energy shift have overcome previous obstacles and blocks are lifted away. You will now experience progress and forward movement with your projects. Stay centered in gratitude to ensure that your flow of abundance continues. Okay. Tingnan natin. Blocks are lifted away. Challenges are lifted away. Keep moving forward, Cancer. Magtiwala sa sarili. Oops. Okay, 888. If you keep seeing the number 888, this is the message for you. As you focus on all the wonderful things that surround you, you are clearing the path for more positive energy to flow into all areas of your life and creating a place for abundance. I am abundant. Okay, you are abundant, Cancer. Okay, keep moving forward. The blocks are lifted. Okay, so these are the messages for you, Cancer. Maraming salamat sa iyo and see you on the next video. Bye.